Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio.
Hey, what about me?
Yes, of course. Come on up, Sal.
Yeah, I know who I am.
So far in our first 4 lessons, we have learned to draw a number of different volumes.
Yep.
Saul, can you remember those volumes?
Sphere, cone, cube, cylinder, and wedge.
That's right. Very good. I'm impressed.
Yay.
In these next 5 lessons, we're going to start combining those volumes to make more complex pictures.
Ooh.
So today, we're going to send our old buddy here off to outer space.
What?
Yep, absolutely. And we're also going to draw a 3D hole in the middle of the planet where he's at.
Dig, 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 dig,
Sounds
dig.
good times.
Whoopee.
What? Come on, let's be a little more enthusiastic.
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's get to drawing.
Yeah, I'll send you to outer space.
At the top of your page, I've already drawn 5 volumes. We have the sphere, the cone, the cube, the cylinder, and the wedge.
The fabulous 5.
There's also a link at the top of your page that shows you the videos where you can learn how to draw these. These are the building blocks that we use in mini drawings. So from here on out, we're going to use combinations of these to create our pictures.
That's right. It's a combo.
Let's go ahead and get started now.
Yeah, but before we do, you know what's coming. Yep, here it goes, right now.
Whoa, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
That is one handsome guy.
All right, at the top of your page, we're going to start off with drawing a cone that is upside down
Like a party hat.
with 2 straights, and then make sure you curve the bottom.
Yep, curve it there. Nice and curved.
And then come down straight on the 2 sides.
Yep.
We are forming the sides of our rocket ship.
Yep, now give me plenty of elbow room in here because I like to stretch out.
And of course, we're going to curve the bottom. Hey Sal, are you ready to go for a ride out in space?
Have you ever heard of a scaredy cat?
Oh, you'll be safe, buddy.
I'm just pulling your leg. I fear nothing.
Okay, let's draw another cylinder on the side of our rocket. And we'll draw an identical one on the other side.
Yep,
These 2 cylinders will become our engines.
yep, need some major horsepower here because I like power, baby, power.
Next, we're gonna flare out the bottom, 2 small angled lines. Make sure you curve the bottom of these.
Yep, yep, flare those out.
And we're gonna add a curved top to them.
Yep, yep, this'll help cut drag as it leaves the atmosphere. How do I know this stuff? I just don't know, but I know it.
Next, let's add some steam or some action lines. These are lines that go straight up and down and kind of tell us that there's energy coming out of these engines. And then we're going to add some smoke.
Yep,
Smoke, when you draw the smoke blast or the clouds coming out from underneath, start with a small one, then a big one, then a small one. I try and go back and forth when I do this,
yep,
and it gives the smoke a nice shape.
yep.
We're going to extend 4 legs, and they will represent the landing platform for our rocket.
That's right. Right under there is where I like to crawl out.
Let's give Sal a nice big window so he can get a good view of outer space.
Absolutely. I like to see it all, baby. First class. Full view.
And we're going to connect the engines now to the sides of the rocket with these straight and curved lines.
Yep. Man, that thing looks fast. I can't wait to get my hands on the control and let her rip.
And I'm going to draw Sal that he's inside the rocket looking out, about ready to blast off.
4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade. And the papers want to know whose shirts you wear. Now it's time to leave your capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the... Oh!
Right, next we're going to add our opening. This is our 3D hole that we're going to draw in the surface of the outer space mount of this planet that Sal happens to be at. So we want to get a nice curve, almost like a long snake going in and out, in and out.
Man, I hope someone recorded that record. I'm gonna cut it. That's a great tune.
As you can see that I've just created this shape that goes in and out.
Yeah.
Nice deep curves here.
Yeah. No one wants to fall in there.
And then all you're gonna do is every time the curve is toward the center, you're gonna drop it down like a cliff, and you can see how I'm doing that. And I'm not going straight up or down, but drawing these things at a slight angle.
Yeah.
And voila, you've created yourself a hole in the ground.
Yeah.
It has a real 3D look to it.
That right there is 3 D.
All right, let's now draw our horizon line, or the edge of the planet. And again, I'm doing this a little bit of a curve behind everything. It makes it more dramatic than going straight across.
Yeah.
And in the background, I'm going to draw a giant planet, just like a sphere.
Yeah. Make it round. That's a sphere.
A little orbiting moon.
Orbiting moon like a space station.
And maybe one more.
Yeah.
Now these stripes on the planet are all going to have a very curved feel to it. That will add a sense that the planet is round.
Yeah, you don't say.
Now I'm going to add some very dramatic mountains to make it look like the terrain is really rugged.
Man, I like to scratch my claws in those mountains. Look at that. Curved up and down. Yeah. Dangerous. A man, a cat of adventure. That's who I
some
am.
small marks or round or lines on the ground to give it texture.
Yeah. Add that little spacesuit. I like it.
Going back into our hole here, and at the edge, I'm going to add some surface lines that are straight up and down. That will further tell that the hole goes down. A little more texture for our surface.
Yep, get that surface texture in.
And now I'm quickly going into my mountains in the background and quickly adding additional texture to them, so it makes it look very inhospitable.
And I'm floating in a most peculiar way, and And the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tent,